we made it to Rio Lagartos today and found this spot on Eye of a Lander on the beach, which looks amazing. That's where we're gonna stay overnight. Check it out. Today we are in Rio Lagartos. You're gonna see loads of flamingos.
Yes, we are hoping to see tons and tons of flamingos. I got lots of options with me, and I'm stoked.
And we're gonna introduce William. It's our tour guide who's gonna help us today. Here's our, what is our transportation? This is our transportation we're gonna use.
The Nimsa.
It's 6:30 a.m. and we are ready to do that.
I'm ready, let's go.
So what William said is we're not gonna probably to see thousands of them because they're nesting, and the nesting place is forbidden to visit, but we're gonna see hundreds, and I think it's plenty.
Hundreds is enough.
Welcome to Rio Lagartos Bioreserve. We have 4 hours to make this tour along the estuary and surrounded by mangroves. We will see a lot of birds, and we will try to find also crocodiles, and we will see the flamingos, and we will visit also the salt factory of Las Coloradas. And also, if you want, we can take the white clay bath and exfoliate the skin, and we're back to the beach to swim, to the Gulf of Mexico to swim and wash out. So I'm a biologist and I'm specialized on birds. I have 8 years working with birds. Any question about the birds, please do it.
I've got one. Is flamingo poop pink?
Not really. It's white. And
Just like other birds.
Growing from the water is the black mangrove roots. It's the only tree that roots growing up. Normally the trees
that roots. Oh, that is magical. They posing.
And the other one is a juvenile or female, and it's hard to know because the juveniles are and females are similar, are brownish on his chest.
So the crocodiles are most active at night?
Yeah.
Yeah.
During the day, they stay on the mangrove roots, only taking a nap.
of flamingos in this spot, but you can't tell because they spread out everywhere. So 75% of the day they searching for food.
And and they filter 2,000 liters a day each one to get enough energy.
What can I say? This is what we came for. We came for flamingos, and we got to stay out here for over an hour and a half. We got to see flying flamingos, we got to see walking flamingos, we got to see feeding flamingos, we got to see a little bit of frisky flamingos, dancing flamingos. I mean, what more could you want out of a trip?
We saw the whole show, so we're leaving really happy and satisfied. Thank you, William.
Hey, William. Woo.
That's where we're gonna put some mud on us, right?
Yep.
That's clay. Clay they call
White
it.
clay.
White clay. I'm excited.
White clay is full of minerals and also salt crystals, and that is like a peeling, you know, you to exfoliate the skin.
Oh. Oh. Oh my god.
He's digging deep for the good stuff for us.
Oh yeah.
Super Blanco.
Muy blanco.
Yes, it is.
Ooh. Nice.
That's what people say when they look at me.
Naturales.
Muy blanco. Almost rosa.
Some people say this makes you younger.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's true, but I'm 52 years old. I look like 51.
You're cheating. With more.
Whatever thinks you're younger. Right. Go down the shore.
Don't put too much.
That'll be there for a while.
I hope I had that on the
I got younger and shorter. This would be my Inca daily look, or my Mayan daily look. Don't worry, this mud will be available on the website for $299 an ounce, and you can get yours today.
Going back to Rio Lagartos coast to scare people and to wash out the clay. Kyle is definitely ready for mission number 1.
We're coming up on the beach where we're gonna wash off in the Gulf, and it looks like a really nice white sand beach. I think it will match our skin tone perfectly. In fact, it would be great camouflage if we were going to the beach for any sort of invasion. It's a good look on you,
I
man.
am excited.
It's a good look on you.
Oh my
Yeah.
god, the water is so amazing. So different from the river.
I don't think I've ever been to a white sand beach that was darker than my skin.
A little more normal now.
How many years younger?
At least 6. We're going full 24 on us. It's on your forehead too.
I know. Rio Lagartos.
Yeah, check out flamingos, become a Mayan warrior, and get, what, 5 years younger after?
6 for me.
6 for you, okay. I don't know, I thought I had the extra coating, so I thought I got the 6, and you got the maybe 4 or 5.
Oh my god, I absolutely love and recommend this place when you are in Yucatan Peninsula. Guys, this is just like amazing.
It was really good. If you can come a little bit later, you might have an opportunity to see more flamingos in more places, because right now it's nesting season, so
right.
That would be June, July.
July, August.
June, July, August.
Yeah, like
the nesting season's over. The babies will be out flying around. Although, you know, a lot of the behaviors are going to be different during that time, so come whenever it's during the season, you're going to have a good time. You're going to love seeing what you see and the experience you have.
And definitely, if you need a tour guide, William is a great tour guide.
Yeah, he was great. I love William.
Mountains of salt and ocean on the other side. Trying to find the entrance for Las Colorados, Pink Salt Lakes, and see what they have. Who do we think we found? More flamingos.